welcome to Oslo. We are here to do swimming with the whale shark. It is 3 hours drive away from Cebu City, and in order to swim with the whale sharks, you do have to purchase tickets. If you are a Filipino that is just whale watching, it is 300 pesos. If you're a Filipino who's going to be swimming with the whale shark, that's 500 pesos. If you are a tourist who's going to be swimming with the whale sharks, it is 1,000 pesos. So they double it for the tourists, but the Filipinos get a huge discount because they're the Filipinos. Were amazing. Like, they were up close and personal and huge, and it was not scary at all. It was just so fascinating. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. We definitely enjoyed ourselves. A one-time, you have to do it in your life and see these beautiful creatures up close. We just made it here in Canyoneering to Kawasan Falls. It was a little over an hour drive from the whale shark watching in Oslo, and to get in, it was 1,500 pesos per person. But that does include a tour guide. It includes full gear, life jacket, helmet, water shoes, water bag, and lunch at the end. So that's very reasonable. Kawasan Falls and Canyoneering, and it was dope. It was so worth it. It was amazing. The entire thing, the trekking, hiking, jumping in the Gatorade blue water.
We're definitely coming back, Cebu.
Yes, we're definitely coming back. We're gonna stay in Bohol and then come here overnight and just do canyoneering, because that's how worth it is. We're gonna bring all of our friends, whoever's brave enough to jump. They were scary, but they were fun. Sometimes you had to just look down, jump. Other times you get a running start. It was worth it. It was so good. Highly recommend come to southern Cebu and do canyoneering, Kawasan Falls. You will not regret it. Come here, canyoneering, Kawasan Falls in southern Cebu. Amazing. See you on the next adventure.